Tomorrow is the day which I was dreaming from years, the day 1000 of NoFap. And as you can call me self-improvement final boss. But I was once a degenerate loser too. So it all started with regret. Years back when I used to fap, I always used to feel regret about it. So I came across the idea of how to stop fapping. It was that I would be able to control that for a few times, but for a solid 6 or 8 months, I would relapse again and again and again and again. And I was stuck in this loop and I couldn't break it. But I kept telling myself that I am progressing and I am doing something, which kept me in a comfortable zone and which was not allowing me to actually level up and go to the next level of completely going on NoFap, which kept me in a loophole of not trying enough. So it's about somewhere around August 2022. As I was one day randomly scrolling, a post came across my feed. And to be honest, they mentioned a crazy status for the people who can surpass this No Nut November thing. And as I heard that status, I was like, fuck yes, that is so exciting. Like they positioned that status in the way that the people who go on No Nut November are the top elite 0.00001% of men. And I thought to myself, why would I not want to be 0.1% of men? So the crazy idea of that status was set right there. But as I was looking through comments, it was about 36,000 comments. All of the comments were there in such a negative way that they were like just diminishing the NoFap and telling all lies about it cannot help you with your charisma, confidence, energy levels, and especially regrets. I wasn't fully committed to NoFap because I kept on relapsing. But somewhere I knew that NoFap was helping me building my confidence, building my energy levels. I had less regret than ever before. My mental health was greater than ever before. I remember reading comments for 1 hour straight. And all of the people there were just complaining why you shouldn't go on NoFap. And that kind of thing was telling me that these are just losers who have just fapped recently. And they are creating some sort of drama or some sort of excuses in their brain to just not go on NoFap, right? And as I was reading the comments, I was just so angry at the comments because they were all lying about the things that, oh, you don't feel any difference. It's okay to fap. Oh, it doesn't boost your confidence, charisma and everything. And I was reading the comments with full of anger. Full of a compelling force inside of me that was telling me that these are all losers. At that time, that was crazy for me and I decided to go on No Nut November. Basically, I started earlier before, but No Nut November was the real challenge for me. And the only thing I can tell you is like the power and the status play basically challenged something inside of me to go on NoFap, to beat 99% of the men. And that power and status play is why I am here at day 999th of NoFap. And being on the other side of the wall, I can clearly tell you that people have this idea who fap a lot, that people who don't fap must not feel any urges at all. As a man, we are designed to feel urges. We are designed to have this lust inside of us. And I am on the other side of the wall. I'm telling you right now that there is no point in life where you don't feel any urges. To this day, on the day 999th, I feel urges. But the simple difference between a fapper and a person who is on NoFap is just that the person who is on NoFap doesn't react to the urges. And that also relates to when I feel like going to the gym, I also go to the gym. And when I don't feel like going to the gym, I also go to the gym. That is like the stoicness I have inside of me. And it's been more than 700 plus days and I've not skipped a training session. And that's when my life quality went up. But I would say for the persons who are specifically suffering for the porn, at a point in your NoFap journey, you will almost forget on most of the days that porn exists. When I fill a habit tracker, I don't mark gym tick in there. It's just like I have to go to gym every day. It's not something of a habit that I have to conquer over. I have already conquered over. And when you have already conquered over a thing, let's say you get on the day 150 of NoFap. When you lock in and you work on a mission, you almost forget that you are on NoFap because NoFap is a thing for you that is you. And you is you. It's not something that you have to artificially do anymore. So it's like you get urges, but you still are on NoFap and don't react to it at all. And that what makes you forget the most of the part. I would say the hardest part of a person to get on a NoFap is from day 0 to day 100. After day 90 or day 100, it's almost the same. It is so easy for him to do that for the rest of his life because as I have calculated these days, like I am on day 999th of NoFap. I've just done calculation a few days ago. It's not like something I count it up every day. I would recommend you checking the top link in the description. It's of my paid community called Man Mastery Nation. We are a cult of men who are on self-improvement. And I and other people who are on self-improvement like you help you solve your problem. Check out the top link in the description and subscribe if this video helped you. Leave your opinions in the comments and bye bye. Love you all.